Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I'm currently at an event with Fujifilm, which hopefully means I'm going to get some hands-on time with the newly announced X-T camera, the X-T50. But I'm going to take you along for the day and we'll see what we get up to. Let's go. So I've just got my hands on the Fujifilm X-T50 and the new kit lens, the XF16-50mm f2.8 to 4.8 R LMWR lens. And first impressions, it's actually a really nice size and a really nice combination. The camera itself isn't too small that you feel as though your hands are kind of swamping it, but it is a really nice weight to be able to take out with you. I think it weighs about 438 grams, that's including the memory card and the battery. So a really nice, compact and lightweight setup. Now I'm pretty sure I tell you this on every video, but one of my favourite things about the Fujifilm cameras is their classic and retro style. And that all comes down to those separate control dials that you get for things like shutter speed, your exposure comp, and also the aperture control ring on the lenses. And I've got to say they've taken it one step further with the X-T50 and they've added on to a control dial on the top one of my other favourite features, and that is the film simulation modes. So there are 20 in total on this camera, but they've added kind of the most popular ones to the control ring on top here. So you've got quick and easy access. There's also room on there to add in some of your favourites under the custom settings too. So if there's a particular one on there, maybe Reala Ace, because let's be honest, that is a nice looking film simulation mode, you can add that into the custom settings on here too. As for the internals, we have a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5 CMOS HR sensor with the X Processor 5, the same as that's found in the X-T5. 6.2K 30 video recording, along with 4K 60 and 1080 Full HD up to 240 for some epic slow motion. It's 422 10-bit internal, but there's also the option for 12-bit ProRes Blackmagic RAW via HDMI. There's a tally light and red frame indicator that appears on screen and a video self-timer mode too to make self-shooting so much easier. 8 frames per second shooting with the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with the electronic. IBIS with 7 stops, face, eye, AF and subject detection, and thanks to the updated AF algorithm, it's both fast and accurate for a range of subjects like animals, birds, bikes, etc. We've got a 3-inch two-way tilting touch LCD, making it perfect for use in any shooting scenario, and there's also a 2.36 million dot OLED colour viewfinder. We've got one UHS 2 SD card slot, a 3.5mm mic and headphone jack, USB-C charging, micro HDMI and Wi-Fi with built-in frame I/O connectivity. So that's it, my time here with Fujifilm is over and I am just packing up to head home, but I did just want to end this video by saying I know that this was a very brief overview of the new X-T50 and that new kit lens, the XF16-50mm. So if you did want to find out any more information on either of those, then head on over now to jessops.com or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.